It's me again. Today we will have a very Yemeni Adani dish actually. It's shrimps with white rice. Jinga rosh. We have 450 grams of shrimps. We have onions and garlic cut and chopped. We have of course, the powder of red chilies. And then we have paprika. We have what is well known as the 7 spices or Indian spices, but we in Yemeni call it shirka. My curcuma, of course, my sea salt, the Omani chili. We have to use a little bit of it, very little by the way, from Oman, and tomato paste and peeled tomatoes. This is for me is also another quickie. It takes about 15 minutes to be done and it's finished. It's not a long thing. It's not a long preparation. In order to avoid the interference of the Bluetooth, I started this first, so it doesn't interfere with you. But it seems while I was doing the setting up the camera, it became too hot, but it's fine. Here's another dish with shrimps. You put the onions till they, as usual, and the garlic till get a little bit brownish. As you can see, they're all getting a little bit now, as I said, brownish. First we put the peeled tomatoes. Crush them properly. Meanwhile, we put a little bit of salt. A little tiny of chili powder. Little tiny of shirka. Paprika. Curcuma. It's tasteless, so the amount doesn't really matter. We will put just a little bit of that here. Yep. And 1 spoon of tomato paste. Now remember this, whenever we all buy shrimps, some of us can go to the fish market and buy shrimps, and some of us can't. We here can't. We have to go and buy it from supermarkets, or like I buy my stuff from the Turkish shops here. Alhamdulillah, l'atrak fathin layam hadi. So they're usually boiled, and therefore you need to be very careful when you cook them, because if you overcook them, you lose the taste, and they become hard and chewy. So we will leave this for a while and start preparing the rice, and then we see the whole thing once it's done. We reduce this, let the sauce cook, and we'll come back to it in a while. Meanwhile, the rice is ready, as usual. And while everything was getting cooked, and I prepared sweet melon. Now the sauce is ready and actually smells amazing. We put the shrimps in. We close it. Yummy. Put it on number 1. We leave it on for 5 minutes and ta-da, we're done. Enjoy. Till next time. Bye.